So we are on to step 3. So we've done a wash, we've done a chemical decontamination step, now we're on to the mechanical decontamination step. The reason why they call it that is this is a synthetic clay. It is a slight abrasive. It can mar the paint a little bit if you don't use enough lubricant. So it's very important to use lubricant. If you guys have ever felt a car that's just been washed that looks clean, but it still has those little bumps in the paint, it'll feel kind of sandpapery. That's what this does. This will literally shear those off. So if you were to look at your paint through a microscope, there'd be little ridges in the paint, and there's things that get stuck in there that are literally bonded to that clear coat, and this will literally shear them off. So when you're done, it'll be smooth as glass. It won't have that sandpapery feel to it anymore. All you do is use this. You spray your towel, you spray the surface that you want to clay, and then it's just like washing your car. You just go back and forth with light strokes. Don't need to use a lot of force. It's better to use a lot of strokes with light force than really grind into it, because again, this can mar the paint if you are not careful. If you don't have a clay luber like this, use dish soap with water. Don't use just plain water because it's not good as a lubricant. And don't use a quick detailer for this step. Normally that would be fine, but that will put more wax and stuff back on the surface, and we're trying to get all that off. So at least for this time, don't use that. Use either clay luber or soap or something. But yeah, there's not much to it. It's a very simple step. I've done clays many times before. This is my first time using the Speedmaster clay towel. I think it's going to help speed it up a lot. And it's a really simple process. I love to clay cars. I think it feels so cool once you're done and you know that you've actually done something.